Hi guys, Zuhair here. This is our first video for Amazon eBay Dropshipping Virtual Assistant course. In today's video, we will give you a picture of who is a virtual assistant, what are his tasks, and how can an individual can become a VA. In the beginning, I'll try to present a general picture, and in the later part of the video, I'll get more specific to Amazon and eBay. A virtual assistant or a VA is generally a self-employed individual who provides professional administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely from his home or office. A virtual assistant is a person who provides support services to a business from a remote location. Administrative tasks are most common for virtual assistants, but they may also assist with any other elements required by the business. Though it isn't a defining aspect of virtual assistants, many of them work as contractors. They may run their own home-based virtual assistant business. Clients hire a virtual assistant by signing a contract with that assistant's business. Virtual assistants may also simply work as employees for a company. Other virtual assistants will jump from company to company with short-term contracts found through freelance sites. If you decide you want to create a business for your virtual assistant work, the first step is to determine the type of service you want to offer and to whom. Will you specialize in a specific task such as graphic designing or bookkeeping? Will you focus on niche markets such as online entrepreneurs or realtors? Once you know what you are offering, you can set up your price for services. You may choose to charge by hour or you can sell service packages. The Amazon and eBay sellers most of the time hire a VA to run their stores on their behalf because they do not have the time or skills to do it themselves. Amazon eBay virtual assistants are most of the time responsible for managing over all accounts of Amazon or eBay seller. This includes product research, listing product, processing orders and customer services, etc. But sometimes the seller hires virtual assistants to perform specific tasks in their seller account, like listing products or processing orders. So it is totally based on the agreement between the Amazon eBay seller and the virtual assistants that what tasks they have agreed for the VA to perform. Dropshipping is a different model of business in which the Amazon eBay seller does not invest any money on buying or stocking products. Instead, finds some selling and profitable products on other online platforms and list them on their Amazon eBay stores with the profit margins, without actually buying them on the time of listing. When an order is received, then only the seller buys the product from those platforms and sends the item direct to the customer address from whom the seller has received order on Amazon or eBay. The difference between the prices on his Amazon eBay store and the platform where he has purchased the product is his profit. Amazon eBay sellers most of the time hire virtual assistants to manage their stores that are based on dropshipping model. VAs are mostly responsible to manage overall account operations and manage all tasks related to the account. The tasks of a VA to manage a full eBay Amazon dropshipping account includes the following. The VA is expected to search profitable and selling products from other online platforms. The research may be manual or using tools, but factors like how well a specific product is selling on eBay or Amazon, the profit margins, how many competitors are already selling are important among others. When a product is found after proper research, keeping in mind the relevant factors, the next step is listing the item in Amazon or eBay stores. When listing, The pricing, inventory, and SEO are important factors to consider. The listing requirements on both platforms are totally different. That will be discussed in a separate video. The VA is expected to provide a great customer service to lower the danger of bad account health. Timely responding to customer messages and tackling and solving their problems regarding their orders are most important things on platforms like Amazon and eBay. VAs process the orders received on Amazon or eBay stores. When an order is received on Amazon or eBay, the VA will find the source from which the item was listed, go to the platform, add the item to cart, write the address of the customer from Amazon or eBay, and place the order. Meanwhile, the VA confirms shipment on the order in case of Amazon and mark as shipped in case of eBay. This way you pay for the item and item is shipped directly to your customer on Amazon or eBay. When you place an order on any platform, say Home Depot, the tracking information is not available right away. It may take 1 or 2 days until it is updated. So when you place an order, you have to wait for 1 or 2 days and then have to go to the online platform where you place the order and get the tracking information. When you have the information, you can now go to Amazon, eBay and update the shipping information there. Sometimes customers cancel, return, or want a refund against their orders. All three of them are different things and are treated differently, which will be discussed in a separate video. So the VA is responsible to tackle and process all the cancellation requests, returns, and refund requests. The VA needs to update or change the prices of listings as per the prices offered by the competitors to compete on platforms. Similarly, the inventory for the listings needs to be updated regularly to keep the items in stock and active on platforms. Any other tasks like asking the customers for feedback and reviews are also performed by the VA. That's all for today. Hope the information is helpful. If you need any further assistance, feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.